Hello students. So as I mentioned in the previous video also, that's the last pattern of the question, how to solve for x. But apart from this, finding out the domain. Recently I gave you a set of questions for you to solve, and you might have seen this type of question for what value of x. Okay, that means the domain has been asked. And to solve this question, let me give a clear picture. This topic is, this type of pattern or the discussion of domain and the range for the various functions has not been mentioned in your syllabus. Only for the standard function, inverse trigonometric standard function, we speak about domain and the range, which already I had done it in my first video also. There's a definition part. So where we say sine inverse x is equal to theta and x belongs to -1 comma +1. So and range of course minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. It is closed interval. So that's the main part to be remembered, and that is very important term also. And based on that, we even move on for the numerical sums. But apart from this, even this pattern question, so the solution part I'm just discussing here. It's not compulsory that you have to make a note of all these things. You have to write it in your notes also for reference, like how we find a domain. I'm giving an idea. Whereas what for NCERT syllabus, according to textbook, what they expect here is final conclusion they expect for 1 mark. So what should be done from your side? At the end of this video, let me discuss that also. But what you mean by the domain here? Okay, that let me give a solution part here. Maybe quite lengthy, and as I earlier also mentioned, this is not given in the syllabus. It's out of syllabus only, I can say. But you have to learn how to find a domain and range. So accordingly, I'm guiding you here. The question is, of course, find a domain for the following functions, or the question can be asked for what value of x the following function holds good. So the question is given as f of x is equal to, it is cos inverse of 2x minus 1. Normally when cos inverse x is given, then we say that the domain part should be -1 comma plus 1 and the range part should be 0 comma pi. But if it is x is given, then if x is given, then this is a domain in the range. But they say it is cos inverse of 2x minus 1. So this linear term has to fulfill this x. Right now they are given 2x minus 1. So this linear term has to move on for -1 comma plus 1. ಈ interval ಪೂರ್ತಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ 2x minus 1. So but the question is, you have to simplify it for x value only. Normally x is taken as domain. So that means how to solve this question here, how to find a domain or how to find the value of x for which the cos inverse of 2x minus 1 is going to exist. It means in this particular way. So in solution part, what we say here is, so obviously by definition I can make out this x will be in the, it belongs to -1 comma plus 1 closed interval. So obviously I have to take it here. 2x minus 1 is between -1 and plus 1. So inequality we have to solve it here. I repeat, inequality chapter which I done previous year also. But in inequality, you people have come across with only one type of linear inequalities. And right now we are dealing with two inequalities, and both have to be balanced simultaneously. So we'll be concentrating on x here. And to solve for this value of x, first part is -1. So -1 I have to eliminate, and for this I am balancing it by the whole inequality by saying add 1. So I added 1. You can make out here -1 plus 1 goes to 0. Add 1. The result is 2x. You can write one more step. I simplified and I wrote the answer here. It is 1 plus 1. I should say 2. So once again, as I mentioned, we are solving for x, but inequality method. So again, I should say divide throughout by 2 here. So we're left with 0. 0 divided by 2, 0. 2 divided by 2, I should say it is 1. And I should say it is, of course, x left out here. So finally, we have solved it for x. Got it? So now I can say that the domain of the function, it lies between 0 and 1. So if at all this x value is between 0 and 1, then this whole cos inverse will lie in the range of 0 comma pi closed interval, and this whole 2x minus 1 will lie in the range of -1 comma plus 1 to make this cos inverse exist. This is a meaning. Okay. So what's the answer here? I should say domain is 0 comma 1. Please be careful. Closed interval, open interval. So it is closed interval right now. As we find here, slack inequality. Okay. Now next one more question I had taken here, few examples, and to find out the domain here, many methods are also there to solve. Okay. Whereas I'm teaching here based on definition and a very simple method of where you can solve it for x. There's the best way to convince you. That's why I taken this method of solving. So, but as I mentioned earlier also, this is not given in your syllabus. You syllabus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Clearly in the NCERT syllabus, these type of questions are not given. Okay, so you have to understand the meaning of it. Okay, last one conclusion barona. So that conclusion you have to remember. Next question I given here, it is sec inverse of 2x plus 1. So sec inverse, you can bring it back to cos inverse also. The reciprocal will be taken. Whereas I went in general only regarding the sec inverse domain part. We say it is less than minus 1 and it should be greater than or equal to plus 1. So normally we say sec inverse domain should be all real number minus, okay, it's open interval minus 1 comma plus 1. I hope you remember the domain part, the chart which I given earlier also in the first video. Got it? So this is what we had discussed. All real number except minus 1 comma plus 1, it's open interval. Got it? So that can be recollected here. And the inequality basically I have taken it as greater than or equal to 1, as well as I should say less than or equal to minus 1. So both the inequality you have to solve it here, and let's come to a common conclusion. So here I have taken here balance this inequality by saying here subtract 1. So we have taken 2x greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to 0, it implies from 0 to infinity, greater than 0 and equal to 0. So closed at 0, 0 to infinity. Whereas one more part we have here, even this has to be considered. It is 2x should be less than or equal to plus 1 transferred. I mean minus 1 is taken here. We have minus 2, x less than or equal to minus 1. So x value is less than or equal to minus 1 indicates from minus infinity to minus 1. So the domain part for this function to exist, where x value we are discussing here, the x value should be in the interval minus infinity comma minus 1 union. ಎರಡು ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So it is this to be considered first, because we always move from the number line point of view from left towards right. So I call have balanced it here, minus infinity to minus 1 union 0 comma infinity. And be careful, it's open interval towards infinity, closed, as we have solved it for slack inequalities. Got it? So it is closed and closed. Next question I taken here, we find 2 cos inverse 2x plus sin inverse x. Got it? So regarding sin inverse x, we know it very well. What's the domain for the sin inverse x? What's the domain? It is minus 1 comma plus 1. Whereas 2 cos inverse 2x iddaga, regarding cos inverse we have an idea. But cos inverse ke 2 is a coefficient, no? So how to balance for this? I can take it as, it does not make a difference. Cos inverse 2x domain itself will be 2 cos inverse x 2x domain also. Just to convince here, I went for this. This 2 cos inverse 2x has been taken as cos inverse 2x plus cos inverse 2x, and this I kept it as it is. Now domain of this, domain of this, domain of this, got it? Everything intersection will be considered as a common domain. I repeat, intersection. So I hope remember set theory, where we have come across with union and intersection. So I'm using the symbol intersection. So what is cos inverse 2x here? So cos inverse 2x indaga idu domain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ I taken here. 2x should lie between minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay? So obviously I should say divide throughout by 2 to make to solve it for x. Okay, divide throughout by 2, we find minus 1 by 2 less than equal to x, less than equal to 1 by 2. So x belongs to, I should say it is minus half comma plus half, it is closed interval. This is for cos inverse 2x. So this is what we, the picture we have. Intersection, its domain will remain same. Intersection, sin inverse x domain is minus 1 comma plus 1. So overall intersection we have to speak here. Intersection common irodu. So what's common? Number line if you'll recollect. Okay, I have done it for you here. So even you can imagine it also, minus 1 plus 1 madhya bartardu, minus half and plus half. So here we find minus 1 and plus 1. I have taken the values here, minus half and plus half. So this part says minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. This part says it is minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2, so it will remain same. Minus 1 comma plus 1, here we have. So what's the common between all these intervals? We find minus 1 by 2 to, this is the common picture. This is the common domain, common part, which satisfies all these intervals. So I should conclude it for the intersection. Please remember it's not union, it is a common part. So I should say here domain part x should go for, it's minus 1 by 2 comma plus 1 by 2. Closed interval. This should act as a domain for this function. So x should be between this one. So for the existence of sine inverse as well as existence of cos inverse 2x. It means like that. Got it? So similarly we have cot x. Remember, it's trigonometry. It's not inverse. It is trigonometry domain. And this is cot inverse x. If that is the case, so once again we deal with the cot x trigonometry domain where we say all real number except n pi. The multiples of pi are not accept. This is a domain for trigonometric cot function. And for cot inverse, we very well remember it is real number. So intersection of these ones. Idukku agbeku. So what's intersection of this? You can very well recollect here. Or the whole number line is taken for real number. Here all the real numbers are included except n pi. So intersection is going to be this only, no? Common agidu. So that means the domain part should be all real number minus n pi, which we say it is a set where elements are x such that x belongs to n pi, where n belongs to set of integer. This is how we write the domain part, isn't it? So this is how we go for the domain part, and a few more examples are taken here. Here we find cos inverse of x square minus 4. Okay. So hagidda yenagutte cos inverse we find. So minus 1 and plus 1. So we are left out with here minus 4 can be eliminated easily. So I should say it is plus 4. Plus 4, plus 4 and plus 4. So we are left out with 3 and of course here 5, and in between I should say it is x square. Now when we find here x square, obviously I can't go for square root at a stretch here because we will be getting the plus or minus sign for the every root. To balance this inequality we take it separately and this inequality we take it separately. To speak about every factor. So there are many methods depending upon the term. It may be linear, it may be second degree, it may be a square root symbol and so on. The methods makes a difference here. Every factor has to be considered. Okay, that's why I taken the different questions here. So once we go for this, we find here x square is greater than or equal to 3. Back to if I speak about the factor, this can be transferred. We can say it is x square minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. And I find that the factor, it is a square minus b square. So we are left out with a minus b, root 3 has to be taken whole square, which resembles a square minus b square. So we are left out with x minus root 3 as well as x plus root 3 greater than or equal to 0. Now this equality has to stand and that value of x is required for us. Got it? So whereas equal to 0 in the Togondaga, we get the turning points. Of course, this concept we'll be discussing in the one more topic called application of derivatives, that is increasing and decreasing function, where you speak about a sign. Okay, so right now I should say it is equal to 0 anta gota ideni. For equal to 0 when I solve it, I repeat, for equal to 0 when I solve it, I'll be getting x minus root 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to root 3, which I taken here. Root 3, one of the point. And this, if I'll solve it for equal to 0, I'll be getting minus root 3, which I taken here. So number line has been taken. Okay, so I have the various intervals now. This is one zone. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಝೋನ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ minus root 3 and root 3 as a point. That means from minus infinity to minus root 3 ವರೆಗೂ ಈ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ 0 ಸಿಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, equal to 0 ಸಿಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Because if I'll say equal to 0, I have got only 2 roots. These are the 2 roots. So leaving these 2 roots, the whole number line can be divided into 3 parts. There is minus infinity to minus root 3, which will give the particular sign for this. From minus root 3 to plus root 3, it's one more interval for discussion. And root 3 to infinity, it's one more interval for discussion. Got it? Okay, so to understand the same. Now, between this interval, let me verify. See, minus root 3 andaga, you can say it is approximate value, minus 1.7. So, lesser than this value, you can take any value. You can go for any value. I'm right now taking it as minus 2. Got it? So, for this minus 2, I mean, x value minus 2 how refers to. If I'll put x value as minus 2, what I went here, this point has made me to go for the number line, and then I chosen this point. It's approximately root 3 value. Minus 1.7. So number line and endpoint kodi. Minus 1.7 kinda hindindu. You can go for minus 2, minus 3, minus 22, minus whatever, minus 4, 20 is also accepted. Your lucky number. Got it? So any one value can go for it. You're just checking it. What exactly sign is going to take here and check marta idira. So I went for here minus 2. Let me go ahead with this. Minus 2 and this is minus 1.7. The value is negative. I'm not interested in the exact value. Only sign. Plus idya, minus idya. Ashton nota irodu. It is minus value. What about this? Here if I'll go for minus 2 plus 1.7. Minus 2 is greater. Simplification will lead us another minus. So this minus into this minus. Minus into minus. Plus sign. So, whatever the x values I'm going to choose here in this interval, every time if I put those values back here, the whole of this product I'm getting at positive answer. But what is my expectation? Okay, what's my requirement here? Obviously, I want the whole simplification for greater than or equal to 0 andre positive ne barli anta kelta ideni. In this interval, it is possible. But whereas, let me verify in this interval also. So, between minus 1.7 and plus 1.7, the best option I'm choosing here is 0. Alright? So, if I'll put it is, okay, of course, not compulsory, you have to go for 0 only. It's easy for calculation, that's why I taken. Otherwise, even you can choose it, you can verify. Okay, that is for the value of 1, or even you can go for minus 1. You're going to check my nodi. The result is once again negative only for various values. Okay, let me verify it for 0. 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು negative. 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು positive. Correct? It is minus into plus. The result is minus only. So, ಈ interval ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ, okay, any point you can select here, the whole this factor, this into this will definitely give us negative answer only. I'm just discussing for this. Still I have not come to conclusion. Similar this interval, I should say after 1.7 I can go for 2, 3, 4, 5, whichever you choose. Go for it. I have taken 2. So 2 if I substitute back here, it's 2 minus root 3. The value is positive. 2 minus 1.7. Positive value. It is 2 plus. It is once again positive value. Plus into plus. The result is once again plus only. So the various points which I am going to have here, they are going to make this product positive only. Got it? So this is a number line study. Whereas let me come for this inequality. What is my requirement? I want those values of x which will make the whole factor as greater than or equal to 0. For equal to 0, root 3 and minus root 3 has to be included. Adre greater than 0 antantandre yaudu? Greater than 0 andre enu? Positive tane. So positive ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ನ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ನ ನಾವು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So what's the domain part for this now? It is minus infinity to minus root 3 union. It is root 3 to infinity, which will give us positive. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. But depending upon the inequality what we had taken here, accordingly I had chosen this interval and this interval. Okay, but still it is not the final answer. Remember, we had taken only one inequality. One more inequality yet to be done. Got it? And that's why I said these all terms are not in your syllabus. But still I'm teaching you just to make you understand how the domain is decided. Okay, just have a glance, study this, remember this also. Okay, so back to here I should say the factors available x minus root 5 and x plus root 5 less than or equal to 0. ನೋಡಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ರೂಟ್ 5 minus root 5 and I should say it is a root 5. This interval I had taken the value, can check it out here. So minus root 5 approximately I should say it is minus 2 point something. So lesser than that value you can say minus 4, minus 5, just choose it. You find positive. In this interval the best option I find 0. 0 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. It is negative, it is positive. I go for the negative conclusion. ಇಲ್ಲಿ choose ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 7 ಹಾಕಿ, 8 ಹಾಕಿ, you find the value positive. But what's my requirement? My requirement is beta negative, less than 0. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ this interval is giving positive. ನನಗೆ less than 0 ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. This interval is given negative, so I go for this interval as the domain part for this inequality. It is minus root 5 to plus root 5. It should be closed interval because equal to 0 kuda ide illi. So this is one conclusion, but both you have to merge it now. So how to merge it here? Again, number line has been taken. The number line I should say is minus infinity to minus root 3. So this is minus infinity to minus root 3. This is the region, number line. Root 3 to infinity, root 3 to infinity. All these are the domain. Similarly, even this has given the conclusion from minus root 5 to plus root 5. This is the conclusion given. Now tell me what's the common part for this? Idu agbeku, idu agbeku, idu agbeku. What's the common part? So common part is going to be this part as well as this part, which I have to conclude it at the end. The domain part should be minus root 5 comma minus root 3 union root 3 to root 5. This is the domain decided for this given function, cos inverse x square minus 4. Domain for this, the x value should be chosen under this interval for the existence of cos inverse. This is the meaning, how we find the domain. Okay. So similarly, we go for, okay, one more question I taken here, sec inverse x minus tan inverse x. Sec inverse x, you remember very well. It's minus infinity comma plus 1 closed union 1 to infinity, or you can say real number minus open interval minus 1 comma plus 1 is also accepted. Intersection plus early minus early. Common is taken always. So I should say tan inverse x is a real number. So what do you mean by common part for this? The common part will be obviously this only, no? This is a common domain, and I chosen here minus infinity comma plus 1 union 1 comma infinity is a common domain. Idu pooth real number barutte. Pooth real number barutte idu. ಆದರೆ ಆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ -1 +1 ನ ಮಧ್ಯ ಇರೋದ್ರ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಇದೇ ತಾನೆ. ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಸ್. Then easily you can wind up. So the finally I'll conclude here, domain for this function x should be chosen for all real number except -1 comma +1, it's open interval, or even you can use the symbol domain. So next I have taken here is f of function f of x as sin inverse of 2x minus 3, 2x minus 1, 3 should lie between -1 and +1. Got it? So the whole simplification I done it here. Please go through it. We find the domain part for this as 1 comma 2 closed interval. Okay, this should be the answer. So next question, 8-1 sin inverse x plus cos x. This is trigonometry. This is inverse trigonometry. The domain is -1 comma +1. The domain for this cos function, trigonometry, x domain should be all real number. So the intersection of these two should be -1 comma +1. What about this? Sin inverse x plus sin inverse 2x. Both are inverse trigonometry. This is a stand function, -1 comma +1. But what about this? This should go for 2x should lie between -1 comma +1. Solve it. We find -half and +half close interval. The intersection of these two. ನೋಡಿ -1 ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ನೆನ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. -1 ಇಂದ +1 ಮಟ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು -half and +0.5. Isn't it? So the intersection ಅಂದಾಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇದೇ ತಾನೆ. So that will be taken as the domain for the function. So sin inverse of -x square ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, the various how questions pattern may depend agutte. I have chosen few for here, but these all questions are not given in text only. Okay, so -1 and +1 because sin inverse we have here. Minus has to be eliminated, and you remember very well minus inna multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the whole inequality symbol changes. You know it very well. So less than equal to be taken as greater than equal to, less than equal to be taken as greater than equal to when you multiply throughout by -1 or minus negative. So right now multiplied by minus, and meanwhile 1 also I'm just balancing it here. So we're left out with the whole inequality. Again I have balanced it here. I have taken -1. Idane rewrite ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. -1 less than equal to x square less than equal to +1. Whereas x square I have to solve it here. And whenever x square comes here, remember x square always it is greater than or equal to 0 only. We remember this and we know it very well. So when I merge these two results, when I combine these two results, I find that x square should be always greater than or equal to 0. So -1 intra 0 madhya ನೀವು ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, because x square is always positive only. So using this conclusion we come to a common conclusion here that 0 should be less than or equal to x square, and this should be less than or equal to +1. So that means x square is between so and so. Now in this, again a 0 less than equal to x square, and anyway the value is going to be, of course, one of the values 0 only. So greater than 0 has been taken. But one more inequality here, we have to go for the factors. So straight away you can wind up the answer also. We whenever this inequality comes, we say it is mod x is greater than or equal to 1 and bandbidtadale, less than equal to 1 and bandbidutte. By practice we can remember this. But anyway, I have solved it for you here. This is not highlighted. This part has been taken here, and we say x square is less than or equal to 1. Factors available, x -1 and x +1 less than or equal to 0. So -1 +1 intervals are taken. I have verified the result for this. Between less than -1, I should say -2 I have chosen here. I find the value in this factor, the whole factor is giving plus conclusion. Here minus and here plus. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇರುವಂತ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ I choose here -1, +1 should act as the domain. So domain for this function should be, I should say it is -1, +1. Got it? So various methods are there to, even this function can be taken as sine inverse of, now one more option. Okay, that's not to be taken here. One method marta idivi. Let's go for follow same method only. So I was here with f of x sine inverse of root of x minus 1. So we are left with -1 should be less than or equal to root of x minus 1 less than or equal to +1. -1 +1 I taken here. But we remember root ಒಳಗಿರೋ term ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay, so root of x minus 1, this part should be always greater than or equal to 0 only. We can't expect negative answer here. Again, if this negative left out, then we go for the complex roots. Root ಒಳಗೆ minus ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we deal with the complex roots. So that's not accepted, and this has been already discussed in the finding of the domain and the range in the previous year, PUC first year also we discussed regarding this. So ಹಾಗೆ the conclusion is 0 should be less than or equal to root of x square, okay, x minus 1 is x minus 1 less than or equal to +1. And again squaring both the whole, all the terms after squaring, we're left with 0 less than or equal to, I should say, x minus 1 less than or equal to +1 as it is. So solve it, we will find the result to be 1, 2 should be closed interval. The solution for this question, this is a domain for this given function. So this is how we wind up the answer. Next question here we find, it's f of x equal to sine inverse of 2x plus 1 upon 3. Okay, this should 2x plus 1 upon 3 should lie between -1 to +1, and we find a domain as -2, +1. Do it and then you can verify the answer. I went for sec inverse of 2 upon 5x minus 3. So you can bring it back to cos inverse also. Okay, and this should go for reciprocal of this, and this 5x minus 3 upon 2 should lie between -1 to +1, and we find the common domain as 1/5, 1 should act as a domain. Same, almost same, similar pattern we had done it. Now, okay, now this is a important question here. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. But unless until you don't have idea about this, I think you can't even move for such type of questions also. So this is a question what they asked. For 1 mark they asked. So what exactly it means here? See, for what value of x the whole relation has to stand. LHS is equal to RHS. This relation has to stand. Holds good ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕತ್ತಾರೆ. Got it? So to solve this, normally in the textbook they'll give you the property. Prove that and the code. Okay, I'll just show you the text also for the same. You find the text, you find it to be, see, 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square, where they say mod x is less than or equal to +1 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That means x is between -1, +1 close interval. This means -1, +1 close interval. So this is the domain. Now the question is how they decide this domain. Got it? So this domain ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವೆರಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಡ್, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಡ್. Okay, such type of questions have been asked in your syllabus, NCERT syllabus, which is a supporting for differentiation part. Substitution method ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, okay, and getting this result to this result and so on. So that's why this domain has not been discussed. That's why I said it's a topic to be just to understand here. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಸಿ, ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ 2 tan inverse x ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. This domain has to lie between -1 and +1. So what I'm doing here is, again, I'm getting sine inverse result. So I've taken throughout the inequality, I'm applying here sine inverse function. Sine inverse, sine inverse, and sine inverse. We're left with sine inverse of -1. It's as good as -π/2. So this whole term kept as it is. This is sine inverse of 1. This is π/2. Alright? That means this whole sine inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square, this is an angle. This angle, the sine inverse of this whole term is lying between -π/2 and +π/2. That's what I wanted to say. But still it is not the end. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಎನಿವೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 tan inverse x. So sine inverse of the whole result will be automatically balanced with 2 tan inverse x, which lies between -π/2 and +π/2. Got it? So this is tan inverse. This is actually an angle. This angle is actually between the range for sine inverse -90 and +90. Closed interval. Got it? So this has been already proved it for 2 tan inverse x. We are balancing it here. And now you have to solve it for tan inverse x first. So solve it for tan inverse x. When I solve it, obviously I should say divide throughout by 2. We're left with minus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4. Alright. Now when you solve this, automatically fast move alike. Now please check it out. Nodi ee tan inverse x sikta idilla. This is lying in the range of minus 45 degree and plus 45 degree. But definition prakara hodre. Remember, recollect, what is the definition of tan inverse x? Definition of tan inverse x, where range has been discussed for tan inverse x as minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, it is open interval. Got it? Illi barta irodhenide minus 45 degrees somewhere here and plus 45 degrees somewhere here in the first quadrant. So what is the common part here? Once again, common has to be considered. Are you getting it? So, E tan inverse x ge minus 45 and plus 45 bandaga, when I recollect the main definition, it is minus 90 to plus 90, it's open interval. I find that this will act as a common domain. Because this is a common domain, I further simplified for x. Got it? So, I find it to be here, I have applied tan. So, I should say it is minus 1 and I should say it is plus 1. So, I find the value to be minus 1 comma plus 1. This is the domain part for this given function. Got it? So, exam ishtella madbeka? Not required. Exam alli straight away we are asking for 1 mark. This is a question asked here. So, you have to straight away remember and say the answer is x belongs to minus 1 comma plus 1 closed interval. This is the only answer what we expect. But what's the proof? How we got this result? How we decided domain? So these all terms have to be taken. So E step avashkata illa. Straight you can say sine inverse lie in the range of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 and you can just move on for this term. This is the best way. But how we got this result anta matte neevu question kelidre, to convince you I went for this result and then this result and then this result. Here domain was considered. Once again I came for the range only. This was the range discussed. Range part, and from range itself I am deciding here x. Got it? So this is one solution here. So last ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೆ ನಾನು. What should be the answer? What to expect here? So few more questions of course I discussed here. See, for what values of x? ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 2 tan inverse x ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ x greater than 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You can even refer the text book also. They given x greater than equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That you have to remember. But how we got it? Again cos inverse ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. Cos inverse ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. This whole domain should lie in minus 1 to plus 1. Cos inverse I had taken here because the whole term can be equated to 2 tan inverse x. And that's why less than equal to cos inverse of the less than equal to cos inverse 1. So I find it to be plus pi because cos inverse minus 1 to be taken as pi minus cos inverse 1. It is pi. So here I find the result to be cos inverse 1 as I should say the result goes to I should say 0. So we find 2 tan inverse x here. And balanced it here. So we are left with divide throughout by pi by 2. I find it to be 0. So but what I find here again tan inverse x will per range not called. It is minus 90 to plus 90. But what they say here, the tan inverse x is lying between pi by 2 and 0. It is lying between pi by 2 and 0. So pi by 2 is here and 0 ide. Madhya irudu tan inverse x. But generally we find, but we know that tan inverse x lies between minus 90 to plus 90. So what's the common domain here? The common domain should be 0 to 90 madhya irbekala. This is the common domain. Which you have to rewrite it here in the increasing order. Clockwise and anti-clockwise directions are considered. In the anti-clockwise direction it is positive. In the clockwise direction it is negative. So I balance it here by saying that 0 less than equal to tan inverse x between 0 and 90. Common domain. Sign has been balanced. Less than I should say it is, okay, less than pi by 2 I taken because tan inverse x it is open interval. And therefore I come to a conclusion that 0 less than equal to x less than infinity. So x should be greater than or equal to 0. Should be domain for this relation. This is how we solve it. Now similar this question, for what value of x? Got it? X holds good. This relation stands. So this is the domain. Minus 1 to plus 1. Applying sine inverse. We're left out with this result is between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Which is nothing but 2 sine inverse x is between minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Straight away we can jump for this step. If you'll understand the meaning, sine inverse of this is an angle. This angle should lie between minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. This step directly baribodu. Okay. We're left out with minus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4. Now once again have a glance. What is the sine inverse x? Range. You say minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Closed interval. ಆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು -45 and +45. The common region I should select here, which is nothing but this only. So which I can continue it here, and I am solving it for x by applying sign throughout. So I find the conclusion it is -1/√2, +1/√2. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ I can say it is 45. You can check it out. So this property has been asked to prove it, but here we are asking you to for what value of x. Got it? That makes a difference here. Domain has been asked. So okay, this question for what value of x? Okay, I went for sine inverse idela, e part idela. So obviously 3 sine inverse x should lie between -π/2 to +π/2. Got it? So hage sine inverse x should go for -π/6 to +π/6, -30 degree to +30 degree. The common region for sine inverse x is -90 to +90, so this will act as common. I balance it accordingly here, and final conclusion I should say it is -1/2, I should say it is +1/2. Okay, so this is how we solve it. Now this was a interaction, discussion regarding this. Now I'll tell you what exactly we expect from you. We don't want you to solve all those questions. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ everything, inequality symbol, nothing. Your NCERT syllabus says if this is a question given for what value of x, please make a note here, remember ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Remember this, all these results, they are standard results. Remember this. For 1 mark straight away write the answer. So if the question is for what value of x, 2 tan inverse x squared cos inverse of 1 minus x squared upon 1 plus x squared holds here, then straight away I have to write this solution for 1 mark. No need to discuss over there, no need to write over there. If you want, you can work it out, but better to remember to save your time. Answer is x greater than or equal to 0. How we got this result? Okay, so that means you can even refer your textbook also. Nodi ella nenpitಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, the domain part for these special properties which has been discussed. Nenpitಕೊಳ್ಳಿ results na. Just have a glance. Okay, so you can even remember in your textbook the questions what they have given here. See, this is a domain part. Few questions we have here, just remember those results. Make a list of it and remember. It's a better option to save your time. Otherwise you can work it out. So for what value of x, tan inverse 1/x go to cot inverse. This is a reciprocal property discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ question ಅನ್ನ. So x should be greater than 0. Remember this. Write the set of values for x for which this holds good ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ. Definitely ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ you can remember very well. For this question I should say it is 1/√2, 1. Whereas for this question for sine inverse x ಬಂದಾಗ the result is -1/√2, +1/√2. It is closed interval. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೆನಪುಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So it's better for 1 mark question, if this is a question given, you write this as an answer. If this question is given, you write this as a domain. Just remember the values, and we expect only this answer. We don't want you to simplify because these questions are given for 1 mark. And moreover, these all discussions have not been included in your syllabus. Only because the properties have been given in your text. Based on that, they are asking you to write the domain and kelikatare. Got it? So I write the answer only. So this question, and I should say it is -1/2, +1/2 closed interval. So for this question, remember it's 1/2, +1. So if you find, just make a list. But these, at least these questions, okay, make a list. ಇವನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So this I want you people to copy it, and to support this, already I discussed so many questions, how we go for the domain of the various inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so let me continue in my next video for the previous year question papers, as well as if time permits I'll go for the graphical presentation also. Thank you.